I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't know
Apa lah? Ini lah serunya bu. Jarang-jarang. Wih, ini pasar malam.
Bersamaan makan tempe.
Jadi kita
Ayo.
Baju sendiri mana enak? Inilah yang enak.
Makan di kafe. Main.
Mana puas? Makan di kafe mana puas sih nasinya? Main makan ayam, main makan ubi. Mana enak pakai ayam? Pakai tempe lah.
Kalau nggak digini kan mbak, mana sih mbak?
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
jarang-jarang orang yang gini. Bukan apa? Emang aku yang sering nengok ya, tapi orang gua ada nama. Nanti ada backsoundnya. Oke guys, ini ada Hongwu. Kayak Indomie dia.
Wih, mantap kali guys.
Mantap.
Makan receh, rasanya nggak receh.
Ini base camp orang ini. Lagi enak anak pasar malam, sedap lah. Tidur kalian di mana? Di hotel. Mana Klaten?
Fungsi lengkap bantal. Boneka bantalnya.
Seru kali di pasar malam ini ya.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will for profit. Got the block lit, I'm toxic, spitting logic, make them nauseous, honest. Can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest, rock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, profit, spitting hot shit, off topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, making racks with a jack. And my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, don't react, no react. Think I'm black, up his back, while I rap, not to step, through a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man, got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get you not that I'm right, yeah.
Yeah, I've been in and out the studio like a student though, working on a movement. Yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone.
Ini baru hidup
Before it
lampunya.
shows how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One go, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God, I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from me.
Dan kita lepas.
Gaji siapa? Yang 3,5, cuman hitungan jam. Iya, isinya gitu ya bang. Aku kalau pakai badut waktu galau ya. Waktu galau berarti ya.
Berapa beli baju badutnya?
Kayak gitu bang.
Hah?
18. Berarti apa nggak terfokus?
Badut apa dia tuh?
Di dalam karir badut itu menghibur
Apa?
hati
Tupai.
anak-anak. Kan pahala juga menghibur hati anak-anak.
Yang pas di apa pasar malam Kisaran itu terminal ada juga badutnya itu.
Nggak ada. Kami nggak nyampe kisaran.
Dia nyewa bajunya itu ya? Enggak. Kita beli sendiri.
Beli sendiri, cuma yang beli bukan kami, Wawa yang beli.
Jadi aslinya dari mana?
Dumai kami bang.
Dumai.
Nanti yo bilang lagi mas.
Kenapa nggak abang beli nasi?
Kapan-kapan gue bilang.
Kemarin udah pulang ke sana.
Berarti nyari tempat hiburan lagi tuh ya, jadi badut ya.
Gue dengar tuh masuk-masuk.
Kalau di pasar malam baru kemarin.
Kalau apa di job ulang tahun nggak ada?
ulang tahun takut kita bawa ya bang.
Tapi
Kalau
sebetulnya
kan anak-anak nih habis megang kue kan nempel ke baju bahaya hilang.
enggak, sebetulnya kalau kita jadi badut ulang tahun itu kita harus jadi MC-nya juga. Nah, dia sekalian jadi MC. Kalau acaranya kita lah menyusun acara kegiatan di situ jadi badut. Nah, kita
Bahaya
yang
juga bang, orang ini badutnya badut tupai, besar kepala.
Iya, ini kalau badut yang apa kan
Badut
apa?
yang apa itu perut buncit
Iya.
itu baru.
Kok itu
Asyik ada si Ojin. Cuma aku tanya,
tupai.
kau lapar? Ji, lapar? Lapar bang. mau Indomie? Mau lah. Masa mau? Mau ya udah. Kalau mau ngantuk kali kau bilang enggak bang, gue tidur aja nggak bangun lagi.